See this golden ball of light which is there in between, booming with energy, and is giving energy to all the part of your body. And as this life force energy is moving to different parts of your body, that organ is coming back to life, is smiling again. See your organs coming alive, and like a smiley face, your complete body, one by one, you are having the smiling organs, smiling eyes, smiling nose, smiling teeth, smiling forehead, smiling neck, a big smile on their face because now they are so happy as you are giving them the right energy that they need. Smiling shoulders, smiling heart, smiling chest, smiling diaphragm, smiling small intestine, large intestine, liver, stomach, smiling thighs, your knees, your feet, and each and every finger. The whole body is like a good big smiling face. See that? You can open up your eyes with a big smile, which I can also see. The inside smile should come out. Okay. All right. Does thought really affect how much the body can do? Let's experiment. Okay. So one of you get up. All of you can do actually. So get up from your place. Okay. And then I would love you to do like this. Get up from your place and let me see you complete. Okay, I have to see you complete. I'll just spotlight any one of you. Yes. Now, yeah, just do like this. And then I would love, yes, all of you do this. And yeah. It's a very powerful way to realize how really so much it is affecting right now. So just do this and now move as much as you can. Keep the feet at the same place. You can't move the feet, okay? Just move as much as you can and see where and mark the place till where were you able to move. So mark the place till that mirror I'm able to move, till that place I'm able to move. Whatever is your maximum, just see that. Only once, move and stop, Sangeeta. Exercise nahi karna. Just move once and stop and see till which place were you able to move. Okay, once you have got fine, mark the place. All of you mark the place till where were you able to move. Harshita, do it. Till where were you able to move? Yeah, found the place. Tell me, Sajid, till where were you able to move? The place? Yeah, so just mark the place. All of you got your place? So let me just, yeah, so before the mirror, till the mirror, right? Shakuntala? Okay. Correct? Okay. Fine. Now come back. Do like this, all of you. And now visualize in your mind's eye, you have taken the full 180-degree turn and you are able to completely move just in your mind. You have completely done that turn and you are able to move complete. See it in your mind. Once you have done it, now I would love you to move again. Come on, move now. Move, 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 and stop. Can you see? That till the point. Now, can you move more? Now your hand is still the mirror, right? Great. All of you, can you see, Sajid? Can you see that now you are able to move more? How come? That's the power of your thoughts. everything can be healed, right? So if you are happy with, oh, this is how powerful your thoughts are, come back. All of you notice that? Notice, if you notice, just do that. That's the power. So never ever take your thoughts for granted and take medicines and exercises and XYZ for उसको ज्यादा वेटेज कभी मत देना. इससे ज्यादा वेटेज किसी का नहीं है, किसी चीज का नहीं है. That's how powerful you are, because you are the creator of whom? God.
God.
You are the creator, God, universe, whatever name you would love to give, right? Jesus, Allah, God, whatever you want to call him. You are the creator of that. So remember that. All right. So just a small experiment to show you that how much a thought can really do. That's why we are putting so much of attention on thought, because if that changes, everything in your life changes. Right? But all right. Pick any two body parts that you would love to change. Any two body parts. It can be, I want my shoulders to be strong. It can be, I want my lower back to be strong. I want my eyes to be healthy or more clear vision. Whatever, two things. Jennifer, yes. चश्मा हटाओ भाई, है ना? You look beautiful both the ways, with चश्मा के साथ भी, without चश्मा भी. But yeah, without चश्मा अगर हो सकता, why not? Okay, yeah, correct. So come on, choose, all of you. Choose two things. Two things, any two parts of your body that you would love to be better, change, or whatever. It can be your belly, it can be your shoulders, it can be your lower back. All of you choose two parts and write it. Any two parts. And now I would love you to think, written all of you two parts of your body that you would love to change. Written. Now, I would love you to think of that part as some beautiful character, rather than, oh my God, it always aches and it is like my eyes so hurts and no. Think of it like a beautiful character. For example, if I want to think of my thyroid, I will think like a butterfly, a beautiful blue butterfly. Can you see? I'm giving it a new character. Thinking of my shoulders, two Kung Fu pandas sitting. Beautiful, right? Strong, dancing, very flexible. Thinking of my back like a monk, like a Buddha monk sitting. So my back is like a Buddha monk, like a monk. So like that, I would love all of you to use your imagination. You can think of rainbow, you can think of river, you can think of pond, you can think of any beautiful character. Give it a character, all of you. And tell me your characters, all of you. I would love to listen. I would love to know your imagination. So tell me, so who has given the character? Just put your hands up. All of you have to pick the body part and give me the character name. Use your imagination and creativity and give the character. So that every time you're going to think about it, you're going to think it not like, oh, my backs are weak, oh, my eyes are weak. You are going to think, oh my God, it's like a beautiful butterfly. Wow. You are thinking of it now in a different manner, right? Okay, so what's the two parts? We'll start with Jennifer. Yes, Jennifer. So what are your two parts and what is the name that you have given to them? What's your character? Two body parts.
My eyes,
Okay.
ocean,
Eyes are like ocean, like a beautiful, calm ocean, right? Okay, beautiful. And what else? Second,
forehead,
head. And what is the image that you want to give to your head? Forehead.
mm,
How do you want your forehead to feel? Relaxed,
happy,
happy. So how will your forehead look? Like a big smiley?
yeah.
Like a big smiley. That's we used to get that smiley face ball,
इमोटिकॉन, हाँ वो है मेरे पास स्ट्रेस बॉल.
right? So stress ball. That so wow, that your forehead looks like a big smiley, that yellow smiley face ball, right? And your eyes looks like beautiful shant ocean. right? So every time you will think of it, you will think it in that manner. Okay, Shakuntala, what's your two body part? Thank you so much, Jennifer. Shakuntala, what's your two body
Hi.
part?
Mine is lower back
Lower back and
and belly.
okay, you beautiful. Lower back and belly. So lower back, how does your lower back look like now? What's your
I chosen cheetah.
yeah, nice, nice. Love the imagination. Yeah, it's like cheetah. I can do anything and everything, and with that, beautiful cheetah. So your lower back is like a cheetah. And what's the other one?
And belly, it's like swan. Swan.
Like a belly dancer. Oh, swan. Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Swan. Wow. Love that. Like a swan. Very flexible, right?
Yeah.
What you thought of swan? Like a flexible thing or something else? What was your
It,
imagination?
yeah, it is very easy in water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love that. Very easy, swan, flexible, beautiful. So all of that, right? So beautiful. Love that. Perfect, Shakuntala. Great, Sajit. What's your two body parts? What's the name?
So mine is like heart and belly, of course, and stomach.
Yeah.
So that are the two body parts. Yeah,
So what name? What is your characters?
heart would be Chota Bhim.
Chota
Very
Bhim.
very strong, but child though.
Childlike and very strong.
Yeah,
Love,
yeah.
love the imagination.
Stomach, I'm still finding, finding something. But
Find something. People give ideas. All of you. Shakuntala, give a good idea. Jennifer, give a good idea for stomach. What can Sajid think for the stomach? How do you want your stomach to feel?
very flat.
Flat. Flat. In my image, it's coming a belly dancer.
I understand, but if I'm thinking of my stomach as a belly dancer, I don't think I will be able to go on to that. So,
Okay, think.
yeah.
Shakuntala, and all of you think and give ideas. Okay, somebody has written something on chat. Ajay is for it, the same thing. All right. We will all think. Yes, what have you thought of? What are your two body parts and what's the name? What's your character? Let me listen to your interesting character.
Belly
Belly.
and upper back.
Belly.
So Barbie is for belly
Belly Barbie. Oh, nice. Oh my God, I'm loving all of yours imagination.
and The Rock, Dwayne Johnson is for the upper back.
Okay. This everything has fallen down because of this Barbie belly. Okay, next was what? Sangeeta? What?
Next was upper back,
Upper back.
and it's The Rock, the Dwayne Johnson.
Okay, perfect. Love that. Beautiful. Okay. So do we have anybody? Harshita, what is yours?
My legs and arms.
My legs and arms. How does your legs look like? What's the character?
Uh, I thought of Bugs Bunny rabbit.
Yeah, love that. Beautiful. And back? Oh, sorry, arms.
I thought of Ariel.
Yeah, love that. Beautiful. So all of you understood the activities. So now every time you're going to think of it, you are thinking of it beautifully. That's the thing. You are not thinking of it, oh, this is so mota, this is never going to come down, oh, this hurts. You're going to think of it like a butterfly, like a swan, like a pond, like a beautiful. So now you're associating good vibes to that rather than negative one, right? So that is what I would love you to think of. Sajid, I would love you to think of it today. Okay. You got something?
No, I'll be getting something,
You will,
before the end of this session anyway.
yes, you will be.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
Perfect. All right. Now take a page and put a two line there. And at one side write belief and at one side write reframe. It's very, very important to reframe the belief system because the belief system with which we are sitting on is what's manifesting at all the times. All the times. It's happening. It's like It's like a color through which we are watching and seeing everything in our life. It's like a red color that I'm putting up a chashma. And no matter what is happening in my life, I'm actually seeing it through that. Okay. So now, at one side, I would love you to write all the beliefs that are not serving you about health. It can be, it's very difficult for me to lose weight. My eyesight is getting weaker and weaker day by day. I cannot reverse my diabetic type.
The most one I heard right now is the belly you got after delivery, post delivery. It is impossible to lose.
That beautiful. Write that. Because I got a big belly after delivery and I felt ये तो हमेशा ही रहने वाला है. But that's not true. I started to look myself like a skinny and like I used to imagine myself like a Shilpa Shetty body. That is what I thought in my mind. Okay, that like I'm Shilpa Shetty. I was not. I just imagined it. I am Shilpa Shetty. I do her yoga actually, yoga practice. The yoga of Shilpa Shetty, her 40-minute asanas are very, very good. I just do that only every single day. That's a very beautiful because it's a very relaxing and I thought who will be Shilpa Shetty's trainer? The best and the best, right? So let me do her her training program. So I do it, do the same. So I imagined her with that red colored what she is wearing and my body is like that. So any character you can give. So all of you, write your beliefs. Doctor said it cannot be cured. I can't eat everything. I'm lactose intolerant. Medicines have their side effects. Write all your negative beliefs that are there about your body, about any part, anything. My liver is weak. My upper back keep hurting. My eyes are getting weaker. My hair has no strength. It's getting white every day. I'm getting bald. I don't know. Whatever is coming. My skin is very sensitive. One of my beliefs. If I if I sit in sun, I will go this. I'll get a tan. My belief. Just give me 1 second. Whatever comes to you. So whatever beliefs coming to you, be very, very honest and put all your beliefs. Because we are going to reframe the beliefs. Got it, all of you? All your beliefs on paper? Think of about everything. Start and see all your body parts and then you will get whatever. My head keep on paining. My neck is not that strong. My upper back hurts. Whatever comes, whatever comes, whatever comes. Do not judge, just write it. Blood pressure is lifelong. Love that. But I don't think on the same lines. Actually, I didn't get it right, my characters, I will tell you. Okay. Great. So how much you have got, just leave it for now. I would love you to continue and you can keep one page more. But I would love you to reframe it now. Okay? So reframe it. Now form a new sentence, a new belief, because whatever we believe in is what our reality is. So now what can we do? So rather than it's very hard for me to lose weight, don't write it's easy for me to lose weight, because I love to think of myself like not easy to lose weight. I'm fitter, I'm skinnier, and my body looks amazing. Can you see the words that I'm choosing? I'm not choosing I want to lose weight. What should be your word? I look fitter, skinnier. It's my body is fitter and skinnier type. My body type is that. Changing the identity completely. So come on, all of you. Give me some examples so that I will just change that. My standing posture is wrong. My posture looks beautiful. My posture is strong and perfect for my body. My posture is strong and perfect for my body. I have perfect insulin levels. I have a beautiful hourglass body. Love that. Beautiful. I have beautiful hourglass body. Love that, Jennifer. Amazing. I would love to have that. Now I'm changing. I have beautiful hourglass body. I love that. Yeah, all of you, come on. What's your change? Reframe it to a new sentence. Reframe all your lines to a new sentence. I don't want that belief. Today, you are going to put all your negative belief to the dustbin. Last day or having all of those beliefs. Last day. We are not carrying from today, this moment onwards. You are going to have new beliefs. What else? Anybody who is not able to reframe, ask me. Come on, reframe all your beliefs. My face has lots of scars and cannot become clean and soft. My face is like butter. My face looks like butter, soft and shiny. I have just given this to once when I used to have the same, I've just given this to my face. So use that, take it. My face is like butter, soft and shiny. Soft and shiny and clean and wow. Because trust me, it is. You are just seeing it with a wrong angle. Now start seeing it differently. My face has a lot of scars. Got it, Harshita? What else? All of you, reframe, create some beautiful, start saying some beautiful sentences to yourself. If you're not able to reframe, ask me. Write some beautiful lines where you should be feeling proud of reading it. I gain easily and I have to work really hard to lose it. Beautiful. Now let's change it. Being fit and healthy is natural and normal for me. Being fit and healthy is natural, normal, and easy for me, Harshita. Being fit is natural, normal, and easy for me. Otherwise, now the belief is, I have to work very hard, I have to do cross leg, I have to do yoga, I have to do, and I have to eat, and so many things, right? Now, what is the new belief? Being fit is a natural, normal, and easy process for me. I don't have to do so many things to be that. I deserve it any which ways. I remember we are 3 sisters, and I used to look I am the eldest, so I used to look the eldest, obviously, because I was the eldest. Then I got married at 20, and I started to feel that at 20 I have got married, I will start looking like an auntie very soon. So I had that fear, right? Because I got married at 20. So I started to call myself, I will look like a kid no matter what's my age. I will look like a kid no matter what's my age. Now we 3 are married, and patani, I look younger than all 3 of us. The 3rd one just got married now because of my belief. I will look like a kid no matter what's my age. It's my belief. Are you getting it? So just create some beautiful belief and you will see magic happening. I will look like a kid. So just take them. My face is an apple, and you know an apple a day is the best. My face is an apple, and you know an apple a day is the best. Great. All of you got something on paper, understood to reframe. Okay. Today, I would love you to sit with it. Write a 1-page homework. All the beliefs. Today is the last day you are carrying. From tomorrow, no negative beliefs. All beautiful beliefs. It's easy for me to be fitter and skinnier. My head is so beautiful. I mean, all the beautiful things. All right. No law is a law. That means when your head starts to create a new law, a new thing, a new story. For example, oh my God, now to I'm having depression, I'm having anxiety, I feel this, I have to medicine, I have to carry through lifetime. If I have started to take it, it will be a lifetime thing. All the story that your brain has started to make, I would love you to say, stop. This will not be my story. My story will be different. And then create a new story for yourself. Stop. This is not going to be my story. My story is going to be, I'm going to overcome it, and then I'm going to stand on stage and talk to hundreds of people talking about how I was able to overcome it just through changing my beliefs. This is going to be my story. I'm going to stand and sit in front of the class and tell how I've changed my story here in the head, and I've actually changed my health completely. And I'll be the testimonial. That's my story. Are you getting me? Understanding me? So create a new story. So whatever negative story goes on in our head, through the symptoms, through the health, stop, use the no law and say, no, it's not going to be my story. This is going to be my story. And create a new story in your head. Because life is a story. Right? What stories are you telling yourself? Create new and beautiful stories. Now, second is the release law. Very, very important law. Now, if we are obsessed with something very, very strongly, I want to lose weight, I want to lose my tires around my stomach, I want to make my belly better, I want to weigh a certain kgs. If I'm very obsessed about it, it will not happen. It's like holding something very, very strongly. Loosen it, Bital. Loosen it. Loosen it. Surrender it. How will you do that? Right now, I would love all of you to think of that part where you are obsessed with. ये वाला चीज तो होनी ही चाहिए मेरी health में. Better. You are very much obsessed. You are using all the medicines. You are watching health videos. You are doing all of that on this. You are researching. I would love you to say about that thing, I fully and completely release you to divine solution. I fully and completely, in this moment, release you to divine solution. I surrender. I fully and completely release you to divine solution now, today. I surrender completely for you to take care of this. I'm surrendering you to take care of this. I fully and completely release you to divine solution. This will be your prayer when you are obsessed with any particular health thing, anything. And this will let the divine work for you. I fully and completely release you to divine solution. I surrender. And when you surrender, things happen. Very, very important quality to have. In my one-to-ones, I see that a person who will be putting a lot of brain and a person who will be like, I surrender to you, Manisha. You tell me what to do. You tell me how to, and I will do it fully. Two different changes I noticed, right? So very, very important. Surrendering to the intelligence, which is far more intelligent than you. Yes or no? Or do you feel you are more intelligent than universe? Anybody who feel कि oh Manisha, I am more intelligent. इतना इंटेलिजेंट है कि a baby gets created. इतना इंटेलिजेंट है कि दिस होल वर्ल्ड हैज बीन क्रिएटेड. इतना इंटेलिजेंट है कि एटम से जोड़ जोड़ के पता नहीं क्या क्या बन गया. So that's the intelligence level. Correct? So you just surrender sometime. Let this stop. Your parent is far more intelligent. You are not the most intelligent person. This parent. Right? The divine parent. All right. Oh, we are already 10:05. All right. So we'll start from here tomorrow. Okay. All right. Well done, all of you. I hope all of you enjoyed it and the session was valuable to all of you. Your thoughts about it is changing. I think 2 more days and we will be finishing our health and then we'll be moving to the next part, right? So health will be done, then health, wealth, relationship, happiness, mindfulness, a lot of things will be coming every month new. So that we are completely new person in 2026. 2026 will be really a new year because we have really worked on ourselves fully, deeply, completely. When we do something new, only then new year comes, right? If same thing happens, the same year. All right. Sending so much of love to each one of you. I really appreciate each one of you for really working on yourself and you all are doing great job, perfect job. Don't criticize, love yourself a little bit more. Sending lots of love and blessings to each one of you. Let's do a soul hug. Love you. Enjoy your Saturday, Sunday. We'll see you on Monday. Okay.
Manisha, I got my characters. I'm there in the chat. Okay.
Yes, Sajid. Oh, you've got it? My belly character is Tarjan. Oh, wow. Wild and gentle at the same time. Strong, raw, and able to take anything. Love that. I'm just intelligent enough to understand that the universe is way more intelligent than me. Absolutely true. I'm intelligent to understand that. So use that intelligence that somebody is more intelligent. Let me surrender sometimes and not try to solve everything because we will go mad otherwise. Okay. Take care. Bye. Love you all. Perfect. Sajid. So all of you imagine that characters and every night before bed, divine perfection is working through me now. I would love you to really use this affirmation, consume that affirmation. Divine perfection is working through me now. In itself, it's so healing, soothing, and it just goes so deep, right? Have you experienced it? So use it before bed, all 3 days. As many times you can do. Closing your eyes and just doing. Easy, right? I'm not saying you to work out. I'm not saying you to eat and only healthy. I'm giving you easy homeworks. Okay, so do it. Bye. Love you all. Take care. Bye.